And once again, I turn on the camera and she's all like, I don't want to play it.
Come down and have a drink and relax, maybe? Great.
Alright.
Lots of pictures. We need plaques.
Move this plate for the memorabilia on the walls. Okay, so I see some bar plumbing over there. So what I'm going to try to do is put a little bar area in over there. I think this is a major point. The fireplace of the room.
Cats are like, I'm too old for this crap.
Nice. Here. Nice. Those are the big projects, all right? Beyond that, when you're decorative finish on the walls, it might be some plastic technique.
That's not do anything.
Fabrics and things. So what we need to do is clear out the and dig it out of here.
Reminds me of Sigma Pounds and Zazu. Little pro will show you how it's done.
Yeah.
Below ground level. Winters in the
Both right there.
a lot of light coming in. Wanted to make it cozy. I thought maybe we could just paint the walls.
Whoa.
So you try to roll with the punches. This is going on like crazy stuff.
Who picked this family?
Ooh,
Lori. Yeah.
I'm almost landing.
Well, okay. Well, here's the color that I'm going for. Anything? How's that?
Yeah, Ryan, we used to climb up a wall for her, man. She always meow at it when it's too high.
I used to chase her around.
Hope you got that on footage.
I did. I got that.
She like dove for it.
Green fabric. We have a lot of different which is kind of necessary, and we'll bring in that brown from the rug, and we're going to cover a lot of it too.
What color do you think is Chaos.
Red, white.
Chaos is not a color.
You doing Orion?
I hope it's like a warm brownish color, you know.
Chewy.
Warm brownish
Cats are so deluded, man. Funny. Come on, cheese.
Are you skeptical?
Come on, cheese.
Cheese.
Orion's freaking quick.
Well, here you go.
I never see him coming on here. He always runs off out of frame and then he just suddenly jumps back in.
Alright, so you competed in the skeleton.
Chewy's all like, ah! Look at her. Chewy laid there like a slug. Only defense.
Get that big scary light away from me. It's gonna consume me.
Biathlete and ski jump all one. Now it's separated.
Not doing anything. And the other cow like ran over here somewhere. Where did she go?
Oh, there she is.
There. Hers is probably too dark to see anything really.
Want some light?
Yeah, that might help. But the light needs to be in here.
That better?
Yeah.
She's like, where'd he go? You getting all this?
Yeah, I'm getting all of it. Oh, like 4 minutes now.
Come on, Laura. Come on. Come on. You can do it.
This is what cats do. They'll sit there pretending like they're not interested and all of a sudden they run right after it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Here. She's like, what the hell?
don't even know how much of this I can record without like going over my camera like memory. I wonder who just texted me. Oh, I probably know who. Yep.
Who texted you?
Yeah, I'll check it after I'm done recording this. Oh, here.
Chewy. You doing, Chew?
Tried to see if I could get a shot of him again, I couldn't. Yeah, he's not doing anything anymore.
Yeah.